Snapchat verification code not received. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can fix the issue that Snapchat verification code not received by the recipient. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, if you are not receiving a verification code on the Snapchat, there are several possible reasons and solutions. So you have to watch the complete video carefully. So guys, first of all, you will have to check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable internet connection as Snapchat requires it to send security codes via SMS or the email. Also guys, you can verify your phone number, email and the email address, and make sure you have entered the correct phone number and email address on the Snapchat account, and incorrect information can cause issues with receiving security codes. Also guys, you can disable VPN if you are using a virtual private network. Disabling it as it may interfere with the Snapchat ability to send security codes. Remember to be patient and try different solutions until you successfully receive the verification code. So hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.